Hello, my name is Pyrros Serres and I'm an attorney here in the state of New York that handles workers' compensation cases. Today I want to talk to you about a case that I call the bully investigator case. We're representing a lady that worked in a very large home on Long Island as a maid. Unfortunately, she became injured and could not work for a period of time. Well, as is unfortunately common, the insurance company hired an investigator to surveil our client to see what she was up to. And on a few days, the videotape that this investigator obtained had her going to and from a particular house on another part of Long Island that was not where she lived. Well, the investigator prepared a very detailed report stating that she was working as a maid at this other residence, and they were trying to claim that our client was involved in some kind of insurance fraud. Well, as it turns out, our client, who speaks very little English, did not make and could not make the statements to the investigator that he had written down in his report. The case went to trial. We viewed the videotape. It showed her going to and from a particular house that she explained was in fact a friend of hers that she was visiting. She could not work. She needed to spend some time outside of the house or outside of the doctor's office, so she would visit this friend on particular days. When we cross-examined the investigator, it was determined that all of the statements that he quoted my client as saying contained language that she simply was not capable of speaking. She had to speak through a Spanish interpreter. Her English was very limited. In addition, it turns out that this investigator was about 6'4" and about 300 pounds. While I asked him for his credentials, he took out his wallet and showed a very large badge showing his authority. As it turns out that when he would approach my client off camera, he would take out that badge, put it in her face, and try to intimidate her, not only as a figure of authority, but based on his size physically. This all came out during trial. The judge saw exactly what was going on, did not believe the investigator for a minute, and awarded my client the benefits that she deserved. Every case is different. Some of the things that happen in a workers' compensation case may not be fair. That's why you need proper and competent legal representation to represent your rights under the law. If you have any questions about your case, call me. This is what we do and what my firm does every day. My phone number is 718-626-7730. Thank you.